Fellow citizens, Kenya was yesterday struck by a gang of criminals who hoped to terrorize our people by committing acts of murder and mayhem. I can now confirm that as of about 1 hour ago, the security operation at Dusit Complex is over and all the terrorists eliminated. As of this moment, we have confirmation that 14 innocent lives were lost through the hands of these murderous terrorists, with others injured. We are grieving as a country this morning, and my heart and that of every Kenyan goes out to the innocent men and women violated by senseless violence. We wish the injured quick recovery, and as a nation, we will continue to pray for them. Even as we regret yesterday's incident, as Commander-in-Chief, I want to commend the quick and effective response by all our fighting teams for neutralizing all the terrorists involved in the attacks.